Hi and welcome to this course. I'm super excited to be here with you teaching all about Google Cloud Platform. Google Cloud Platform or GCP is a cloud computing service created by Google for building, testing, deploying and managing applications and services through cloud managed data centers. The advantage with GCP is that everything is cloud-based, no costly hardware to buy, provision or install. First off, a quick introduction about myself and why you should learn from me. And then I also want to quickly cover what you're going to learn in this course. My name is Ram and I've been in the IT industry close to 20 years, but even more than that, I'm the author of a few different courses in Udemy, all of which are tailored towards beginners. I have a particular interest in covering the basics in a way that people can easily understand and put into action immediately, and hence I believe you have come to the right place. This course is meant to be the ultimate bootcamp in learning about the basics of GCP in just about 6 hours. No advanced topics, no unnecessary drivel, just the solid basics to get you off on the right footing. All I'm asking for is about 6 hours of your time in terms of lecture and probably another 6 hours in terms of practicing what you've learned. Just imagine, all it will take you is about 1.5 days or 12 hours to learn the basics of GCP if you wish to do it this way. Do note that for this to work, you should have a basic understanding of computing services. Otherwise, your learning curve will be slightly longer. We will cover all the free tier products that come with GCP, that is 24 services that have a free tier limit every month. You also get $3,300 worth of credits that you can use in 90 days that you can use for some of the products. The advantage with this approach is that you don't have to spend anything to learn about GCP. The recommended way to learn this course though is to take your time between lectures, practice what you learned in the previous lesson, and then move on to the next lecture. This is my preferred method of learning whenever I'm tackling a new subject, but of course, each person learns in a different way, and I encourage you to follow the method that works best for you. Okay, with that short introduction, I'm ready and excited to take you into the exciting world of Google Cloud Platform. Are you ready? Let's go.